good? You good?
Oh, sorry.
Bro, why'd you turn?
What do you mean why'd I turn?
You good? You good, man?
Just leave me for a minute.
Oh. Oh.
Just lay down.
Oh.
Lay down.
No.
Lay down.
No, man.
Lay down.
Ah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, are you?
Kind of. Oh, sad. Why are you going so? Why'd you do that?
I can't turn when I'm going that fast, man. Why'd you turn there?
What do you mean? I came around. Why didn't you stay on the right side?
Because I thought, well, I was never on the right, for one. Two, I thought you were just going to that hill.
Oh.
Okay, let's check if these bikes are good. No, man. We just f***ed Andrew's bike up. This is
What?
This thing's
Oh, his bike.
yeah.
What happened?
Everything, bro.
What do you mean?
It's we crashed.
Bro, he smoked me head on, bro.
You might want to check the bike, though.
I don't feel good.
Hey, Andrew.
No, I haven't.
Andrew,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to check this out a bit.
Yeah, I looked at that. I saw that it was a little beat up.
Well, the gas tank came off.
Right? I need a couple of zip ties right now.
Gas tank came off.
We took a head on, bro.
Well, it didn't come off. It slid back. But
We took a
was there ever a bolt in there?
Bent it. Or no, let's see.
Bro, we took a
Gas tank
heavy
came off.
smash, bro. You
What
don't
came off?
understand.
It's turned off.
I turned that off.
Is your
Yeah.
thing recording?
Yeah.
Yes!
Are you good?
Thank God, yes, I'm happy.
I'm sorry,
good
man.
now.
No, seriously, I didn't mean to do
we're
that.
good. We're okay. We're
I
good.
was literally
But did this catch
listen.
this?
Yes,
I don't give
just listen.
I don't care. I don't care. We'll watch the video.
No, never mind then, man. Never mind.
That's what we're gonna do.
Nah.
Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.